If a renter loses your Turo key during their trip, you'll want a spare key on hand. Keep it in a secure lockbox at home with a trusted family member, helper, or friend, or at a local shop so you can quickly coordinate getting the guest back on the road. Be sure your listing clearly states a lost key fee, typically $150 to $200 in the damage and fees section. As soon as the guest admits the loss, file that additional fee in the Turo app. If the spare isn't local, overnight it via FedEx or UPS and bill the renter for shipping and handling, sharing tracking details so they can plan around delivery. Should they be stranded, contact Turo Roadside Assistance or host support to dispatch a locksmith or mobile key service. Then invoice the guest through Turo for those charges. There may be occasions where you are not able to get to a guest to do a key swap. So this would be an example of where the guest would have to contact support to dispatch help on your behalf. Since it was the guest who lost the key, the responsibility falls on the guest. Keep all receipts and communications attached to your fee request so Turo can validate and release funds. To prevent future mishaps, consider installing GPS systems that offer remote keyless access and remind guests via your pre-trip messages to keep the key secure, as a replacement fee will apply if it's lost.